White shoes.
Anong ginawa natin?
Eh, naka-black ka eh.
So, na-black ka.
Sabi ko, black, para terno tayo.
Ganda. Twinning.
Twinning, okay.
Uy,
Grabe.
parang mga bagets lang ah.
Oo, ang galing-galing niya kumanta, no?
Halatang di siya role yan. Ngayon lang ako narinig kung kailan kami nag-concert.
No. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina,
Nagbabalutin.
balutin mo. Lahat ng makita ko sa restaurant, ganon. Kaya, I will never forget you.
Hindi ko nagawa ako maliyaya mo.
No, dapat mahalin mo sila because
Mahal mo sila,
sa kanila
isa ka
na galing.
sa'yo.
Galing yun sa... Hindi, huwag ka manginig sa akin dahil you were always on my mind.
Yeah, when there's a buffet, my God.
Mas lalo na. No. Pag buffet, walang balutin mo. Bawal. Hindi ako nagpupunta ng buffet. No.
Hindi buffet pag private party, hindi pa nagsiserve, may nagbabalot na. Kaya may picture ako doon, merong X, parang no parking, gano'n. No balloting.
No balloting.
Kung nandun ka lang sa bawat restaurant na pinupuntahan ko, ilang beses na kitang inuwi.
Yeah, I know you wish, right?
Wala sa teleprompter yan, ha?
Wala nga.
Wala yun, talaga.
Marami naman tayong agip, every show, iba. Kung ano-anong ginagawa natin, part-time
Hindi na nga natin nasusunod to eh.
Oo nga.
Hindi na nga namin anong susunod eh.
Kaya ayan, sa dami ng ginawa natin movies together and theme songs, syempre, the one will always stand out to us. It will always be the most special dahil dito nagsimula ang lahat.
Pero teka muna, bago natin patugtugin ang music. Nagpapawisan ka na.
Ako naman, kukuha ka muna ng tissue. Kasi pag ginaganyan mo, nililipat mo yung pause ko dito, nagpupunta doon.
Hindi, ganti lang yan yun.
That's yucky, don't do that. Don't do that. That's so yucky.
Who knows? I'll just do this for the pose of Dear Heart. Please get your cameras out. This is the Dear Heart pose. Baba mo to. Ready? Naku, pag di nyo na ako na...
Over here. I did again, over here. On this side.
Kantahin na natin.
Antayin na natin ito. This was the Dear Heart movie that we did.
For all of you
Yeah.
who grew up with us and followed us throughout all these decades, we love you and this is for all of you.
Kopya ko, ha?
Dear heart, ikaw raw ay bata pa at di mo pa kayang mag-isa.
Kinakabahan ako eh. Sa bawat kaba, alam ba nila ang pag-ibig mong nadarama?
Di ka binigyan ng layang mahal sa batang katulad mo. Ito'y balang araw magugulat ang lahat. Ikaw
Ito na.
pala'y di na isang bata. Dear heart,
Okay. Picture. Nothing happening. Are you having fun? Let's be having tonight.
Parang
hapon na.
parang 15 lang ako.
At parang 14 lang ako.
Ang kapal, mali.
Mas ano pala ako sa'yo. Ano pala?
May mga dapat tayong pasalamatan kasi without
Yes.
them, hindi tayo makakapag-concert tour, di ba?
Yes.
They're so important to this performance and all our
And we're
performances
here.
during the whole tour in the US and in Canada. First of all, of course, we want to thank
We're in Westgate.
Las Vegas Resort and
Yes.
Casino. Thank you, Westgate. Such an honor to be performing here. And Music Productions, thank you so much, Craig Reyes. We love you,
Reyes,
Craig.
si Craig Reyes. Kung gusto niyo ng Peking duck, eto lang, si Chris Reyes.
Ha?
Dadala kayo sa kwarto niyo ng Peking duck. Okay.
Halo-halo. Si Craig yung producer, si Chris ba? Yung ang layo.
Anyway, siya, oh. Maraming salamat sa GMA Pinoy TV for
Yes.
promoting. Yes,
Thank you
GMA.
to my home, the Filipino channel, ABS-CBN, TFC. Sa November 28 po, I hope you have a Prime subscription, yung Amazon Prime po. Please abangan niyo po November 28, my latest teleserye with Julia Montes,
Ano rin
Saving
natin yan?
Grace. Yan, it's gonna stream, so mapapanood niyo po sa Prime. And I want to thank my lawyers, Attorney Lourdes Tancinco, and the Lewis Law Group also. Thank you so much to you.
Yes, I'd also like to thank my lawyer, attorney Alex, who's here tonight. Are you here tonight, Alex? And by the way, nabanggit mo si Julia Montes. Di ba Montes ako?
It's not her real last name.
That's not her name. That's
It's
just her
not.
screen name. Oh.
She's
Tinanong
my
ko nga
baby
siya,
girl.
Sabi ko, Montes ka ba? Ay, hindi. Ano,
German yun eh.
Yes.
Yung anak kong yun.
Sayang, meron sana akong
Connection,
kamag-anak.
di ba?
Oo.
Anyway, we also
Wala.
want to say a big thank you to Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, always our official
Thank you, Philippine
airline.
Airlines.
Thank
And of
you.
course, Nancy Yang.
NY
Yeah.
Entourage Productions, we
For
love
bringing
you.
us here.
Peachy Mariana for my hair, and Jeffy Aramin for my, Peachy for my makeup, and Jeffy Aramin for my hair. Thank you.
Yeah.
And our dear heart,
Linde for my makeup and for my hair.
Okay.
Sige, okay na rin yan. Hindi.
and our dear heart team, Andy Anderson, thank you